Hello and welcome to a new video where I will show you how to use my latest plugin Vidopticon, your own video search engine plugin for WordPress. So to get started using this plugin, click Plugins, Add New, Upload Plugin, choose File, navigate a zip file you downloaded and click Install Now. This plugin will add to your WordPress blog a form that will allow visitors to search for videos from YouTube, and you will be able to add your own custom ads between the search results or to shorten links using Shorte.st and to earn by each clicks that your visitors make on shortened links. Okay, so to get started, click on the plugin menu. Here you will see that the plugin requires a YouTube API key to function. To get one, click here. You will be redirected to the Google API console. Let's create a new project for this. Click Create. Project is creating. Let's have a bit of patience until the project is created. Now let's go to the project. And here it is. Now we have to go to Library and enable YouTube Data API. YouTube, search for YouTube Data API v3. Click Enable. After this, after the YouTube API is enabled, you can go ahead and click Credentials, create credentials, API key, copy it and paste it here, save settings. Now you have the plugin up and running, and all you have to do is embed the shortcode in your page to display the search form. You can also embed Gutenberg block alternative of the shortcode if you use Gutenberg. So I will show you both right now. Let's display first the Gutenberg block alternative. So let's create a test page and add the Gutenberg block that the plugin provides. It is in the embeds. The Vidopticon search box. So here you will have all the parameters that the plugin accepts for the search form. You can play with all of them. Let's leave them by their default value right now and click Publish. Let's view the generated post, and here it is. Okay, now let's go ahead and test it. So let's search for something, let's say Dota, and here are the Dota videos from YouTube. If we click on one, the video will open. Okay, so now let's check how we can monetize this plugin, because video embedding is really nice, but let's check how we can monetize it. Also, before this, we have a load more button, which adds more videos to our search result. Okay, so as said before, let's check on monetization. Let's head back to the post that was generated for us, the test page. Okay. So to monetize this plugin, you can go to its main settings, and here you will see many options that the plugin provides. So let's start by adding your custom ads between the results. For this, go to Ad Manager, and here you will have to create an ad rule. Uh, Here you can enter your HTML code of your ad. Let's say I want to enter only a simple ad. You can enter links or anything else. You can set also a start date for showing ads, end date for showing this ad, and add keywords that will match for the search that the user will make. So you can set that the user makes a keyword search for kitchen, let's say, and if you set here the kitchen keyword for this ad, then this ad will pop up for the user. But this is just an example. So let's save this ad. As you can see, a new ad rule was created. And let's go back to the plugin. Let's refresh it and search for testing. And as you can see, the ad is added to the search results. If we load more videos, the ad is continued to be added. Okay, we have some additional options for ad displaying, ad manager options, randomize ad order. If you add more ads to your ad manager, you can randomize the order in which they appear with this checkbox. If you don't check this checkbox, ads will appear exactly in the order you created them here in the ad manager. Do not show same ad twice. If you check this checkbox, the results won't display the same ad multiple times as it is displaying here. Only once, and everything, that's all. Show only ads that matched search keywords. If you check this checkbox, you have to define ads with keywords, with a keyword list here. And the plugin will display ads, only ads that match the search keyword for visitors. Okay, so this is the ad part of the plugin. You can also monetize the plugin by the Shorte.st API. You can enter here a Shorte.st API token. To sign up for a Shorte.st account, click here. To get an API token, click here. Paste the API token here. And all links that will appear to the visitor will be shortened by the Shorte.st API. This means that each click that a visitor makes on a link will earn you a small fee, a small reward in cash in the Shorte.st API. So keep in mind that using this feature you will be able to monetize outgoing links that were generated by this plugin and earn money with the Shorte.st API. Okay, so now let's check some advanced features from the plugin. Enable suggestions while typing. This uses the contextual web search API. This is a separate API from the YouTube one that will allow you to enable the suggestions while typing for the form. To sign up for contextual web search, click here. You should also subscribe to a API plan here and paste here the API key that they provide you. I will pause the video and input my API key because I like to keep it private. Be right back. Okay, I am back. I pasted my contextual web search API key here. Now let's go back to the form. Let's refresh it. and let's try to type something. As you can see, the plugin starts to suggest keywords to use. Okay. Now let's check another cool feature that this plugin has, voice recognition. So let's save our settings and let's head to a test page and test voice recognition. Test voice recognition. Test. Yes. Okay. So as you can see, voice recognition is working. Okay. Now let's head back to further investigating more features of this plugin. Well, you can disable the load more navigator from the end of the results if you don't want to allow visitors to load more results. You can define also banned words list to skip results that contain the banned words. Required word list to require some words to show results for. If the results don't contain these words, then they won't be shown. Require all words in the required word list. If you uncheck this, then only one word is enough for the result to show from the required word list. If you check this, then all words will be required from the required word list. Maximum title word count. Set a maximum number of words that will be added to the title. Maximum description word count, the same for the description. Voice search icon position, X on and Y index. You can move the icon if you have a different theme. Let's say then the icon could be displayed a bit off. You can you can move the icon using for the voice search icon using these two settings. You can also make additional YouTube options for the search. Let's say I want to search only from my own YouTube channel. Then I go to my channel. I copy the channel ID from my URL. Go back to plugin settings. So this is my channel ID. Let's disable voice recognition for now and let's save settings. Now the plugin will search content only on my own channel. So let's make a test. All are from my channel, all resulting videos. Okay. Now here you can set also many other options. Video language, event type, video location. This is the source video location, channel type, safe search, region code, video caption, video definition, video dimension, duration, license, type, syndication, search order, video embeddable, video category. Okay, and also you will have the option to change the template for the results title. Here is the possibility to change the title. It is good if you know a bit of HTML here, but this is not required. You can use the shortcodes to change the title. These are the shortcodes that can be used in the here. So if you change, let's say I don't want to display the title in this pen. So this means that I don't want to display the title like this. I want to display the title in a simple link. Then I'll leave only this shortcode, and let's refresh it. So as you can see, the title got smaller because I removed the extra HTML from here. And if I use any other from these shortcodes, each of them will be replaced with its own value for the respective video. The same for the URL template. The URL template is this line. The description template is this part, and the thumbnail image is this part. Okay, you can also change the item published shortcode date format from here. You can also translate each string from the plugin using these settings fields. Click to start voice recognition, voice recognition started, paused, failed, powered by, matching results found, no results found, load more, loading. Okay. Also, you will have some more plugin options. Use this proxy. You will be able to use a proxy when searching for results. Enable usage tracking. If you click this, then you will be able to see usage tracking data in the usage tracking menu of the plugin. Enable logging. Logging can be viewed here in the activity and logging section, where you will have some system info. You will be able to restore plugin default settings and the activity log. This is the logging part, which can be enabled here. Automatically logs and every once in a while. Random sentence generator, you will be able to use the random sentence shortcode and the random sentence 2 shortcode. You can define here sentences, one on line, one on each line. Each sentence can have variables. You can define variables here like this. I love it, and the value for variables separated by semicolon. Also, you will have the Vidopticon Search Engine shortcode, of which I already talked before, and the Vidopticon Search Redirect, which redirects the user that makes the search. It will redirect to another page on which you should put the Vidopticon Search Engine shortcode. So if you don't want the visitor to stay on the same page where it makes the search, you enter this shortcode, the Vidopticon Search Redirect, and enter to its redirect page parameter the URL where the other shortcode, the Vidopticon Search Engine shortcode, is located. And when the user will search here with the search redirect, it will be automatically redirected to the other page when the other main shortcode is located. Okay, I hope I made myself understood with this plugin. I hope you will enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for similar cool plugins. And until next time, bye bye.